Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. When you receive money from a customer, want to pay someone, record company expenses like rent and bills, or even transfer money between your cash register to bank, all these are considered financial matters. In Finty, you can easily record and manage these documents as we've designed the software's user interface to be very friendly and easy to use. As you saw, all these services are quite similar, and if you learn how to work with one of these services in this menu, you can easily work with the rest as well. The options might differ a little bit, but in general, they are very similar to each other. There is a new option in all these services to record new documents. You can click on this option and record a document. Let me show you this process in one of these services. For example, let's go to Expense Service and record the rent of this month. So let's click on New and select a category, Rent, Company Rent, and for better organization, write something in the description that specifies what this document is about. For example, rent for August. Then go ahead and choose the type of transaction you have in mind and enter the amount. If it's bank entry, cash, or the list of checks you have, or write a check. I'll choose this option. Amount, for example, $2,000. Bank fee, Bank of America, and save. You can also choose other options as well. For example, let's say you want to make the payment half in cash and half in bank transaction, or write a check. You can also go ahead and do that as well. For example, this, as you see, and then save. And as you see, the document is recorded. And the transactions made are displayed in the bank and cash services, as I used cash and bank transactions. And if you write a check or receive a check, it is displayed in the check service. Let's go ahead and see those two. Bank transactions, as you see, bank transactions are displayed here. And this is the one I just recorded, 2,000. Checks, and the checks will be displayed here. As you see, there is no records in my account. Cash register, and as you see, this is the cash payment I just recorded, $100. All these services are similar and only the options might slightly differ. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Goodbye.